Hi everyone, here we will see the Electrical Machines Lab 2 experiment number 6, load test on 3-phase induction motor. Aim of the experiment: to conduct load test on 3-phase induction motor and plot the following characteristics. First one, BHP versus slip. Second one, BHP versus efficiency. Third one, BHP versus power factor. Torque versus speed. Operators required. So to conduct these experiments, the following operators are required. The operators range, type, quantity mentioned in the tabular column. Next, this is circuit diagram of load test on 3-phase induction motor. Procedure: connections are made in the circuit diagram. Measure and note down the circumference breakdown by using cotton thread. Spring balances S1 and S2 are kept in zero output position by operating the adjustment wheels T1 and T2. By keeping the 3-phase auto transformer voltage in zero output position, the supply switch S1 is closed. Vary the auto transformer voltage gradually and apply the rated voltage of induction motor up to 415 volts. The no load readings of the meters and speed are noted down. The induction motor is loaded gradually by tightening the belt till the rated current at the each load. All the meters readings are noted down, and also speed we have to note down in the tabular column. Stop the motor. The load is removed. Belt is loosened. The 3-phase auto transformer voltage is reduced to its initial zero output position. The supply switch S1 is opened. So this is the procedure of the experiment. Next, let me see the experiment demonstration. Now we will see the demonstration of load test on 3-phase induction motor. So according to procedure, we will start the experiment. First, switch on the induction motor by using DOL starter. So now motor is running. So at no load condition, take the readings of voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter 1, wattmeter 2. So these readings we have to note down in the tabular column. Apply the and also we have to measure the speed of the induction motor by using tachometer. So now the speed is 1488. So that speed we have to note down in the tabular column also. So for other readings, apply the load gradually. So by using the weight balance, note down the readings of voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2, and also note down the speed of the induction motor using tachometer. So these steps will repeat for other loads. So release the load on the motor after taking the 4-5 readings, and switch off the DOL starter and open the TPST switch. This is about the demonstration of the experiment. So this is the tabular column of the experiment. We have noted down the values in this tabular column. So calculations. So calculations are made by using these formulas. First, circumference of the breakdown. We have to take the cotton thread and we have to measure the circumference, and we have to calculate the radius of the breakdown. Torque. So using these spring balances, we have to find out the torque. bhp. Output in watts, input in watts. Therefore, efficiency is equal to output by input, cos pi, slip, and speed. So these are the formulas using to calculate the efficiency of the three-phase induction motor. Next, coming to the model graphs. So these are the graphs we can draw. So by using the values. Next, this is the graph we obtained from the readings. Result, and following characteristic curves are obtained: efficiency versus bhp, speed versus torque, and bhp versus torque. So these are the viva questions. So most expected viva questions on this experiment. Prepare answers for these questions. Thank you everyone.